All right, now we will move to step 2. Okay, step 2 is you have to take the white color and you have to arrange this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. All these edge pieces should be white, so which means you can get a cross, white color cross over here. Got it? So this is what you are going to do. So for this, what you need to do, always the opposite of white is yellow. This is a shortcut. So always the opposite of white is yellow. So here we just try to arrange the white pieces. Clear? So what are we going to achieve here? We are going to achieve the cross, white, 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 white. So everything is white. For that, just turn your cube and try to arrange the white pieces here. Okay, got it? Yeah. So for that, what you need to do, just search for the white pieces which are here. Yeah, here one white piece. So if you turn, successfully you arranged one white piece, and then search for another one. Nothing is here. There are two pieces here. Okay, just turn and you got the second one. So you arrange two pieces and two more pieces are left. What you need to do, just look for another piece, just turn it, and you successfully arrange three pieces. One more piece left, right? Look for that. Yeah, it's here. Just look for that. It's here. So I'm just arranging like this. So I successfully arranged these white pieces over here. But my target is I have to arrange these white pieces here, not the opposite side, right? But this is a shortcut. So you just need to arrange all those white pieces here and look for the adjacent piece. Adjacent in the sense, these things. So this color and this color should match. I'm not confusing, I hope so. You successfully arranged this thing, and then from here look for the pieces with the same color. Right now everything is different. I'll show you. Let's say for example, look for this piece. This piece will be having blue color, right? Just turn blue. Now you have white piece along with blue. Likewise, you have to arrange white piece along with red, white piece along with orange, white piece along with green. You have to arrange like this. So I successfully arranged this blue, right? So once you arrange this setup, white piece along with this adjacent, these two, don't consider these things, just consider these two, right? So I arranged this thing. Now I'm just now you got this, you can see, right? White piece along with the adjacent piece with the same color. Okay, I'll come back to this yellow side. Right now you have the red color, white along with the red color. Just now you can see, right? White along with the red and white along with the blue. Now I need to arrange white along with orange and white along with green. I have to arrange this thing. For that, again, come back to this yellow side, and you have two more colors, and you have orange. Look for orange. Yeah, I got the orange successfully. Yeah, once you got this orange, just now see, white along with orange, white along with blue, white along with red, and one more piece is missing. Just come back to this yellow side and look for the other piece. This is green, and look for green. Yeah, successfully I got this green, and then just turn around. Now you can see, right, this cross. Forget about this color. You successfully arrange a cross. All pieces are white, and then this should associate with this adjacent color as well. Okay, I think you guys got this one. So successfully arrange this cross along with this adjacent piece as well. This is your step 2. We'll see in the next video. Right, thanks.